Postmodernism, key ideas. Postmodernism, an intellectual, cultural, and artistic movement that emerged in the mid-20th century, offers a critical response to the failures of modernism. In this video, we will explore 4 key ideas of this influential movement. Number 1. Rejection of grand narratives. Postmodernism challenges the grand narratives of modernism, which sought to impose a single, universal truth or ideology on society. It questions the idea that there is a singular narrative that can explain the complexities of human existence. Number 2. Emphasis on pluralism and fragmentation. Postmodernism celebrates diversity and recognizes the coexistence of multiple viewpoints, cultural practices, and identities. It acknowledges the fragmented nature of contemporary society, and embraces this fragmentation as a reflection of its complexity. Number 3. Deconstruction of established structures. Postmodernism deconstructs established social and cultural structures to reveal underlying assumptions, power dynamics, and contradictions. It aims to challenge dominant discourses and promote a more inclusive understanding of social phenomena. And number 4. Interest in popular culture, pastiche, and irony. Postmodernism engages with popular culture, seeing it as a meaningful source of inspiration. It borrows elements from various sources to create pastiche, playful juxtapositions that challenge traditional artistic norms. On the other hand, irony is often employed as a tool to critique and subvert established norms and expectations. At its core, postmodernism emerged as a response to the limitations and disillusionment of modernism. Modernism, which emphasized reason, progress, and the belief in a better world through technology, was deeply shaken by the Holocaust, World War II, and other societal upheavals. Postmodernism offers a more skeptical and complex worldview, rejecting the notion of a single, objective truth, and highlighting the importance of subjective experience and cultural context. In rejecting a universal truth, postmodernism embraces the diversity of perspectives and experiences. It celebrates difference and recognizes the significance of individual interpretation. Postmodernism's critical and nuanced approach invites us to question dominant narratives, explore alternative viewpoints, and appreciate the intricate tapestry of human existence.
Alright, good afternoon. So, this afternoon we will be having our media class. Since naulanan naman sa klase, we will be talking the topic that we have not attended. Okay, so our topic for this afternoon, we will have determining various social, moral, and economic issues discussed in the text. Let's try. Let's try. You read this one first, and then describe the moral issue that is present in the text. So I will give you 5 minutes to read. Just read this one, and then take note of the moral issues na imuhang makita na naa sa text. Ha? So, answer ana dili mo sa my instruction is for you to read this one, and then you need to analyze what are the moral issues, the social or the economic issues presented in the text. Are you able to answer? Let's have your answers. Let's share your answer. What are the issues that you have gained out of the text that you have read?
Sa naman ko student limited access to education. Tapos sa moral economic, kaya sex and abortion. Then sa economic, overpopulation, poverty, and unemployment.
Okay, so I want you to open your text booklet, and then you're going to look at the picture. Okay, you're going to read this one. You're going to read this one, and then you're going to analyze. Analyze the text, kung unsay naaani nga text, and then you need to write kung unsa ang mga social issues na imuhang kitaan sa imong text na gibasa. Kasi for example, dili nimo siya i-butang ito. Okay, so you need to read and analyze the text. So you need to read this one, and then you analyze, you comprehend sa text na imong ibasa, and then you answer the question, what issue is being presented in the text. You need to describe the issue, what are the issues, or kung naadaghan siya. You need to write or kanang give specific explanation kung unsa nga issue ang naa sa text na imong ibasa. Okay? Okay, are you done? So, I told you to read the text that is found in your module, right? And then, were you able to come up with the issues presented in the text? Sige na, Bill, let's share. I want you to read your answer and then let's find out if you were able to have the issues presented.
The text reflects an issue on poverty. Aside from being a social issue, poverty is also an economic issue, making it a socio-economic issue. Poverty becomes an economic issue when it affects the people's economic activities. It means people can hardly provide for their food, shelter, education, and health.
Very good. So, for your next activity, this one, you're going to write your own personal experience. What do you mean when you say personal experience? Okay, very good. Imuhang kaugalingon nga experience kung unsa imuhang nagian nga mga issue nga nasa imuhang kaugalingon. So, for example, unsa nga mga issues imong nagian with you, your family, or specifically in the Philippines. Mga issues nga imuhang nagian, mga issues nga imuhang na-face, or mga issues nga imuhang na, unsa tawag kanino na lunahunan na naaka dali sa Pilipinas. So, you just need to write a personal experience. So, basically, sa imuhang kaugalingon. Okay, sige. I want you to read that one first and then we're going to continue that one later. Ha? Sige. Can you share what you have written on your personal experience?
Drug addiction are the use of pro-healthy drugs that cause the drug user to neglect his responsibility towards his family, children, career, education, and health. Thus, it is a social problem that firstly affect not only the life of the drug addicts, but also the community and the entire community.
Okay, sige. I want you to read the writing first and then up to the second paragraph. Ha?